When it feels like I've been fading to the background, don't leave my room for like a week, don't wanna go out. But all these moments keep reminding me of just how you can't have the highs without the letdowns. I overcomplicate, I underestimate how easy it is to live like this. Feel better if I take my time, just a second then I'll be alright. I know that there's a love that won't find me. There's something about that feeling. 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 Yeah. Outside the rain's done dancing with the